Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Salam presisi. Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Afan and I want to present you my class Hari Ngajar in Polsek Baras.
I'm gonna give you my heart, 'cause you're a sky, full of stars.
Hey, lift, sambil disentuh.
'Cause you light up the party.